everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another Nendoriod unboxing. It's been a minute, I know, and I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to get back into doing Nendoriod unboxings more often, but today is the first one that I've done in a while. Today we did my Neon Genesis Evangelion and Nendoroids, and I really like this unboxing. It was really fun. There's something specific about all these Nendoroids that you'll see in a minute that kind of make them stand apart from other Nendoroids that I've unboxed in the past. So I had a really fun time with this one. I hope you guys enjoy. As always, let me know what you liked, what you didn't like. If there's any Nendoroids that I've mentioned hauling in the past that you haven't seen on camera and you'd like me to discuss and unbox and do all that, please let me know. I am more than happy to do it, especially because I am trying to get more Nendoroid content out for you guys. Okay, that is everything for me now. Let's get into the unboxing. Hello everybody, welcome to my desk. It's been a while, so let's just get into it. This is who we're unboxing today. We have Asuka, we have Rei, Kawaru, and Shinji from Neon Genesis. I opted to get their plug suit versions. I don't know, I just thought they were cooler. They do have them in their casual school uniform and stuff like that, but I like the plug suit versions better. Okay, we're starting with Asuka. Oh, I need scissors. Oh, let me give a quick little focus in on what she looks like before I unbox. Oops. There's the back of it, and then the sides. Okay. Okay, this is what she looks like straight out of the box. I just took all the plastic parts out. I love her little twin tails. Oh, so cute. Okay, so she comes with 3 faceplates. There's the default. There's this kind of screaming face, like her angry, and then also angry but closed mouth. I think, I think I'm gonna go for this one. Oops. I think I'm gonna go with this one. As you'll notice here, the eye patch is actually attached to her bangs, so you don't have to move it around when you switch faceplates. And there you go. As you'll see on her second set of accessories, you have the stand, a bunch of hands, a little bag. I think I want to put her in the little ship. So I'm not necessarily gonna mess with her unless I need to switch out the hands to better suit this. But I'm not sure. So let me do that real quick and I'll be right back. Oh, okay. So she actually does. You can put her on the stand in the ship and it actually does hold it up. So there's that. So let me hold her up. I'm sure it'll all fall apart, but this is what she's looking like. Okay, so this is what she's looking like. So she's in the ship is on the stand, and I actually really like this. I find it really unique that, you know, any character comes with something like this. So there's Asuka. Okay, we're gonna do Rei next, and as I was looking at the backs of these, they all do come with a ship, which is super cool. I wasn't expecting that, but I really enjoy that. So I think I'm just gonna put them all on the ships because it looks super cool. So let's do Rei next. Okay, so here's what Rei looks like out of the box. She also comes with 2 face plates, like an angry, concentrated face, and then just kind of typical no expression Rei. So I think I'm gonna do this one since we're putting her in the ship. Before I switch out her things, I just wanted to show you on the box, It says Rei Ayanami, tentative name in parentheses. So that's interesting that they would keep that on the box, but anyway, I just thought that was funny. And very similar to Asuka's, she also comes with a second like set of sorry, there's people walking by my window. Stop. Okay, she comes with another like layer of accessories, so more hands, her scythe, little bag, and then the stand. Okay, this is a little precarious. Come on. Okay, this is what she's looking like in her ship, and the ship's on the stand. It's a little scary because like it's very top heavy. Like I feel like these stands are just barely like strong enough to hold this up because it's quite weighty. But I'm obsessed with the way these look. Like to have these ships is such a more interesting look than like a regular Nendoroid, so I think, you know, these ships really set them apart from any other Nendoroids that I have. And God, hold on, please focus. Please focus. Yeah, so I'm just obsessed with the way these look. Like, I know it's kind of boring to put them all, maybe I won't, maybe I'll put the girls in their ships and the boys can do something else. But I'm just obsessed with the way these look. Like, it really sets them apart from other Nendoroids in my collection. And I know not every character could have something like this, but wouldn't it be sick if they could? Okay, so that's Rei. Now we're gonna move on to Kawaru. Okay, here's Kawaru. A little 360 action. He does come with a ship as well, but oh my God, look at them. Stop it. Stop it. Anyway, yeah, so I want to put him in the ship as well, but I'm not going to. He gets to do something else. Okay, we're back with Kawaru. I just had to do like fucking research because I was like, I know these are like part of the EVA, but I couldn't remember what the actual thing was called. It's part of the entry plug, the thing that goes like, it's a little tube and it goes and it puts in the actual EVA. And I couldn't remember. I was like, I know they're not like just regular ships. I know it's part of something, but I could not for the life of me remember. So forgive me, I'm stupid. And it's also been a while since I watched NGE. So anyway, it's an entry plug. It's an interior entry plug according to the internet. Anyway, Kawaru. Damn, look at him. Look at him. Okay, so I'm gonna make him, first of all, blushy face. Can you believe? That's absolutely going on him. He also comes with this, you know that one. That old razzle dazzle where he's like, you know, shy, but also smug. And then just default nothing behind the eyes sort of his face. So we're gonna switch him out to this one because obviously he's gonna be hanging out with Shinji. So oh my God, if that ain't just the most darling thing you've ever seen. He gets to actually hold his weapon like everybody else. Various hands. He's got his spear of Cassius, right? And then his stand. I'm gonna opt to put Shinji and Kawaru on one stand, and they're just gonna hold their weapons and be cute together. Sound good? Sounds good. So this is what he's looking like now. Very cute, very dapper, if I say so myself. The spear is kind of a bitch to like get him to hold. It doesn't fit in there super snug, so it does fall out periodically, so just something to be aware of. I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that because I'm clumsy and I like to knock things over a lot. So anyway, I think once you get it in there, it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna put him on his stand and we'll move on to Shinji. I have him on here by sheer force of will. Basically, the hole in his back, it's not super snug, like holding on to the actual stand part. So he keeps slipping off, which is a pain in the ass. And then whenever I tried to put the spear back in his hand, he would fall off the stand. So I opted to just put the base of the spear into one of these holes so I don't have to fuck with that. Plus, if it falls out of his hand, at least it's not gonna fall off the stand. It'll kind of prop up. So this is what he looks like. I'm gonna put him down very, 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 very carefully and then never move him again. But this is what he looks like. Small tilt. Okay, perfect. Last but certainly not least, my sweet baby boy, Shinji. Trauma and all. So this is what he looks like. Very similar to all the others, but this time with extra daddy issues. So this is what he looks like straight out of the packaging. Like the others, he comes with 2 other face plates. Since he's gonna be standing with Kawaru, I'm gonna give him the little blushy face, but he also does come with one that's, you know, mad, but he's also got tears in his eyes, which is very on brand for him, and also, honestly, on brand for me as well. So we're gonna opt for this one today, and then he's also gonna hold his spear. I finally did it. Okay, so they're both on the same stand. Turns out there's like a little component in both of their boxes where you can switch out the little plug that goes in their back so it's more secure. So they're both on here pretty well. Now the real issue is just the weapons. Because they wouldn't both fit on the stand itself, I had to make it so that gently they're both kind of hanging off of it, so when this is placed down, they're just like standing on whatever surface you have them on. And because of that, I can't really keep Kawaru's, like the tip of his spear into one of those like divots. Shinji, it fits well in one hand, and then the top one, because the tip of, or like the handle of his spear kind of tapers, it doesn't fit super well in his right hand. But I digress. It's done. I'm just gonna put him down and leave them alone. I love the way this looks. Oh my god, their stupid blushing faces. Oh my god. To be LGBT. So that about does it for them. Okay, so this is everybody done. Sorry, I have to hold the camera, so it might be a little shaky, so my apologies. But this is what they're looking like. This is Bart. There's Ray, Asuka, and my sweet little baby boys. I really like these. Like, I'm so impressed with the interior plug thing. I don't know, I just love these. I think it's so dynamic. I think it's really cool. I would have put all of them in there, but I wanted to switch it up a little bit. This, oh my god, I can't get over them. Look at his face. Good smile. You know exactly what you did. You know exactly what you did. They're the only ones that come with blushing faces. You know exactly why. I love them. These are really, really cool. I'm so happy I opted for these versions over the, like, just regular, I don't know, the casual versions. The casual versions are still cute, but, like, there's no way they come with all of this. So I hope we all enjoyed as much as I did. We're just gonna sit here for a minute. This is really fun. Tilt your head down just a little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. There we go. Okay, yeah, I hope you enjoyed. It's been a while since I've done a Nendoriod unboxing, so I'm sure this was kind of all over the place, but I hope we all enjoyed nonetheless. I know I sure did. This was fun. Definitely let me know who you want me to unbox next. I'm probably gonna do villains from My Hero, because I do have a couple of them now, and I think it'd be really fun to do them. I do like doing them in, like, categories or groups or by show and such and such. I think it's really fun. But if you know I have an Nendoroid in my collection, especially if it's kind of like a one-off, like one random person from a show and they don't really have a bunch of others that can be grouped together, I can certainly throw them in at the end of like a group one, or just if you want a Nendoroid spotlight with them, we can certainly make that happen. Yeah, so that is everything for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Shinji, get in the Ava, or I'm never hugging you again.
You've never hugged me before, at all.
Get in the Ava, or I'm ordering Commander Katsuragi to never hug you again.
Are the keys in it? Do I need to turn it on?